Friends, running kimono here. So it is Thursday, February the 19th, and we are back at Walgreens, and we're talking about 90% off clearance for a lot of bread and butter items such as deodorant and other great items. There's so many groups of clearance right now that is definitely worth going into the store and looking around. Now, I know these tags say 50, but they're actually 90% at most stores in Michigan. So a lot of these beautiful Doves, $1.29, very cheap. We have 99 cents for the Secret and $1.39 for the Native. Even if it is marked at 50% off or these weird prices, grab one, bring it to the front and ask for a price check. It might be a different price at your store. Now, if you could possibly track down two of the refills for some of these Gillette or Venus razors that look a little bit extra fancy, I think if you read the package, you know what I'm talking about. Two of them are on a buy one get one 50% off, so you'd pay like $3.43 at 90% off, and a lot of stores in my market are that price. $6 register reward when you buy two, so it makes it a moneymaker. So this might be a tall order, but for whatever reason, this line that Gillette did, it's just not taking off with customers, especially in the Midwest. So if you could track down two and you want to roll the dice for $3 and see if that register reward will print, even for $3, it's a great find. That little razor, the disposable, was 87 cents. Another couponer beat me to it and cleared everything out. And that trimmer was still $15.99, and I did ask for a price check, which is still a great price point from almost 65. And then I finally tracked this down. We have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon, so it's making this little 4-pack $2.79 per bag. Down in Texas, I think a lot of paper towels are getting cleared out as well. I saw some Viva and some Brawny Essentials for a couple dollars off. And then we have a bunch of the different Kleenexes, and I think Puffs is still on a buy one, get one 50% off. Bring it to the front and ask for the promotions that are going with them as well. Do not be shy. Valentine's Day also went 80% off yesterday, which is the 18th. Wednesday, February the 18th. They want this out of the store quickly. The interesting thing is a lot of the fancier chocolates have IBOTTA rebates. So you're going to buy it at 80% off and then apply for $1.50, $2, $1 back. Make sure that you have the same rebates as I with IBOTTA, but go and make that happen, especially if you want some fancier chocolates with an IBOTTA rebate at 80% off. Sunday, many markets went 80% off for toys, select toys. A lot of these are carryovers from Christmas and Valentine's Day. And we're just going to run through some of the items that I saw at 80% off. With Easter right around the corner, I know a lot of you put together beautiful Easter baskets for your kids, for your grandkids. So these would be excellent items, probably would fill up half of that Easter basket, and the really big gift like that little Stitch play hut. How adorable is that for $2.99? I'm always amazed when prices jump so low. That jewelry case also super adorable for $1.49. And then lots of the Block World and Lego sets, also very affordable. So if you see some of this stuff, even if it's not marked, again, I hate to keep saying don't be shy, but grab a couple items and ask for a price check from an employee. Ask really nicely when they're not busy, and of course they'll help you out. That mini sticker book I think was 99 cents, and then we have Hello Kitty's friend for $1.99. So a lot of these plushies, if it looks Valentine's Day or some of these familiar, you're like, hey, I remember that. Don't be shy to ask for a price check. This is a sleeper pillow by Hello Kitty for $5.99, and that big girl in pink for $4.99. She's been in every event for Christmas and Valentine's Day for the last 6 months or so. She looks adorable. So yeah, I wouldn't. If you're in the store, grab a couple items, and I've been to a couple stores where nothing was marked, and that's where you can actually find the most amount of stuff on clearance. Tools really help. A lot of this cleaner, some stores it went up to 75. Around here at 50%, it was gone. Lots of this Pledge cleaner as well. The Fabuloso as well. People see a certain price, and if you could pair a digital coupon with that, it just flies right out of the store. This is a Clorox disinfecting mist. in eucalyptus for $3.99. How interesting is that one? There was also some Clorox wipes as well. Just for men, I think most of them that have been on clearance since about Christmas time, they dropped to 90% off, so $1.19. Hey, if there was an IBOTTA rebate, I think we'd all be running to the store to pick these up. And then lots of this line, Tree Hut or Shea Moisture, 50% off. These are newer things on clearance in this area. Clearance is always your mileage may vary, but because it's deodorant, Valentine's Day, these toys, various cleaner stuff, paper, get out to the store. If you have nothing to do today, or if you're driving by and ask for a couple price checks, that's the smartest thing to do. And go and make some of this clearance magic happen. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.